Leading case 37 Union of India v. Sriharan or Murugan Ors 2015-14 SCR 613 2016 7 SEC 1. Did you know that the Union of India v. Sriharan case was one of the first to address the complexities of extradition law in India, involving a notorious figure linked to terrorism? In this video, we'll be discussing the landmark case of Union of India v. Sriharan or Murugan Ors 2015. A significant judgment in the realm of administrative law and public interest litigation. We'll delve into the facts of the case, legal principles, and the court's decision, providing a detailed case summary and brief definition of the legal concepts involved. This case brief is essential for law students, legal eagles, and anyone interested in understanding the intricacies of the Indian legal system. We'll also explore how this case relates to the Supreme Court of India, Congress, and the broader implications for law and politics. Whether you're a lawyer, attorney, or simply interested in real law review, this video is for you. So let's dive into the case brief template and explore the legal brief example that is Union of India v. Sriharan Adara Murugan Ors Pamidapanthir. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel to view videos like this more. Please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. Introduction. Union of India v. Sriharan or Murugan Ors Manbantitortinda SCR 613 2016 7 SEC 1 is a significant judgment by the Supreme Court of India that dealt with the powers of the state government regarding the remission of sentences of prisoners convicted under central laws and sentenced under the provisions of the Indian Penal Code (IPC). Facts. The case involved the convicts of the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case, including v. Sriharan or Murugan, who were sentenced to death. The sentences were later commuted to life imprisonment due to delays in executing their death penalties. Subsequently, the Tamil Nadu government decided to grant remission and release the convicts, which led to a conflict with the Union government regarding the powers of state governments in such matters. Issues raised: whether the state government has the unilateral power to grant remission to prisoners convicted of offenses under central laws or IPC without consultation with the Union government, the appropriate authority to decide on the remission for crimes investigated by a central agency like the CBI. Contention of the parties. Union of India contended that since the offenses involved central laws and were investigated by a central agency, CBI, the state government could not unilaterally decide on remission. State of Tamil Nadu and convicts argued that under the Indian Constitution, the state has the power to grant remission of sentences and that this power is not nullified simply because the crime involves central laws. Critical analysis of the case. This case highlighted the complexities of federal relationships within the Indian legal framework, especially in the administration of criminal justice concerning central and state powers. Other judgments discussed in the case and their ratio with citation Murugan v. Union of India 1980 explored the scope of remission powers under Articles 72 and 161 of the Constitution, emphasizing that remission does not erase the conviction, but merely alters the execution of the punishment. Opinion of judges. The judges opined that while states generally have the power to grant remission under the Indian Penal Code, this power is subject to the direction. The court directed that the appropriate government in cases involving conviction under a central law or cases investigated by a central agency is the central government, and it must be consulted before any decision on remission is made. Finding of the court. The court found that in cases where the investigation is carried out by a central agency and involves a central law, the state government does not have unilateral authority to grant remission. The central government's consent is necessary. Final judgment. The Supreme Court held that the Tamil Nadu government could not grant remission and release the convicts of the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case without the consultation and agreement of the Union government. Conclusion. Union of India v. Sriharan or Murugan Ors serves as a crucial precedent on the division of powers between the state and the Union, particularly in the administration of criminal justice.